Hi friends, today the next class we are going to learn the methods of differentiation. In first we have learned the methods of composition function. Now we'll learn the logarithm differentiation. How you can use the logarithm differentiation. So if the given function in the form of power form, that is f of x power of g of x power form, then you can use the logarithm function. Or if more than two terms are given in the terms of product u v w, more than two terms, you can use the logarithm differentiation. So if the given function in the form of y equal to f of x power of g of x, and this both must be in terms or functions in x only, then you can use the logarithm differentiation. You can find the dy by dx. Or if it is a more than product of function, more than two product of functions are there, then also you can use a logarithm differentiations. So to use this logarithm differentiation, we must know the concept of logarithms. So few formulas must be know to use this logarithm differentiation. So we have here, for our convenience purpose, we have used the seven properties of logarithms. First property is given: log xy to the base a equal to log a to the base a plus log y to the base b. Whenever it logarithm in terms of product, when you split, it gets in terms of addition. Okay, log. Now in terms of divide, log xy to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. So whenever logarithm in terms of fraction, you can get it as a in terms of minus. Next, log x to the base x equal to 1. If log x base are same, equal to 1. Log e to the base e equal to 1. Or you can say log 10 to the base 10 also 1. Similarly, if we have the log 1 base a, then it must be equal to 0. Similarly, if we have in the power form, log x power of p, log x power of p to the base a, then will this power p become backside of the logarithm, that is a p log x to the base a. Otherwise you can say the coefficient p log x to the base a. Similarly, log x a, log x a, if you reciprocal it, you will get 1 by log a to the base x. Or you can write log x to the base a into log x to the log a to the base x, log a to the base x equal to 1. Log x to the base a into log a to the base x equal to 1. Seventh one, log x to the base b by log a to the base b equal to log x to the base a. If you observe here, base for the numerator as well as for the denominator, both are equal, then only you can write the log x to the base a. So these are the properties of logarithms. So these seven properties, rarely we'll use the first property, second property, as well as the fifth property. Rarely these three properties are used: first, second, as well as the fifth problem. Remaining also in some problems we will use. So for this problem, we'll go the example how to solve whenever it is given in the form of power form. Okay, power form given. So example I am considering: find the derivative of x power of x. It is in the form of power form x power of x. So you have to derive this. How you can derive? Listen here. Let it be suppose y equal to x power of x. Okay. Now see here. It is in the form of power form. Then you have to use the logarithm. Applying log on both sides. Log y, you can say base e, or nothing is there means base 10. If it's given 10, okay, either always base e. Log x to the power of x base e. See here we can have to remove the power means you can use the log x power of p base a equal to p log x to the base a. So same form, that is log y equal to x log x to the base e. Okay, now say here also log, here also log. Now this is in terms of two variable x and log x to the base, so you can use the product. So differentiating with respect to x on both side. So differentiating with respect to x on both side means d by d of log y equal to d by d of x log x. See here, in previous class, you know the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, but inside the bracket in terms of logarithm variable is y. So this is you have to write in terms of chain rule you can use, and this one you have to use in terms of product. Two terms are there, u and v. So formula, two formulas we have to use. First one is the formula is d by d of log x for left hand side equal to 1 by x, and right hand side will use as the d by d of u v. Formula you know already, u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So these two formulas are applicable left hand side as well as the right hand side. So here log y is there, so first derive with respect to x. Log x derivative is 1 by x, so we will write here 1 by y, again dy by dx. See here, dy by df log y, first log x derivative is 1 by x with respect to x, with respect to x. Okay, log dy by df log y with respect to x means first of all, first we have to derive with log. Function is 1 by x, 1 by y, again this function y have to derive dy by dx. Similarly this one suppose u, this one suppose v. Okay, so you can use the formula, that is right hand side u first, that is x d by d of log x base e plus v outside log x base e and derivative of x. So here you get as it is 1 by y into dy by dx. Here see here x as it is, just we have learned log x base e derivative is 1 by x, so nothing is there means always is base e, so 1 by x plus, okay, here see here log x base e as it is, derivative of the derivative of x is always 1, so into 1. If you more simplify here, dy by dx equal to y, this x get cancel, 1 plus log x base e. In the problem given in terms of x, so here y value you have to substitute, dy by dx whatever we have, suppose y value, that is x power of x into 1 plus log x base e. So this is the problem when it is given in the power form. Now if I consider the second example, it is more than two products, then also you have to use the logarithm differentiation. Logarithm differentiation, that is by suppose dy by dx, you can suppose log x, suppose y equal to sine 2x cos 2x, and I will write cos 3x. See here, here you have three terms, first, second, third. So if you derive, second is if you have the more than two functions, then also you can use the logarithm. So applying log on both sides, find dy by dx. Okay, so log applying on both sides, log sine 2x cos 2x cos 3x. So here as it is log y, here log a, log b, log c. In terms of product, you can split into addition. Log sine 2x log cos 2x log cos 3x. That is log derivative is, now you have to do differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, on both sides, that is d by d of log y, d by d of log sine 2x, d by d of log cos 2x, d by d of log cos 3x. Okay, now see here, log derivative is 1 by y, log x derivative is 1 by x, so 1 by, again with respect to x we are doing here dy by dx. Okay, equal to, see here, first of all do the derivative of log. So you know the derivative of log x is 1 by x, so log sine 2x as it is, first of all log derivatives in the place of x here sine 2x, so 1 by sine 2x, again derivative of sine 2x. Similarly here log x derivative is 1 by x, 1 by cos 2x, again d by d of cos 2x, again here log derivative is 1 by cos 3x, and d by d of cos 3x. So here as it is 1 by y dy by dx, here 1 by sine 2x as it is. Now see here, sine derivative is how much, you know, cos 2x. Sine derivative is cos 2x, but here 2x, again derivative of this d by d of 2x plus 1 by cos as it is, and cos derivative is minus sine 2x, again derivative of this 2x. Here also same, 1 by cos 3x, cos derivative is minus sine 3x, again d by d of 3x. Okay, now see here, this dy by dx as it is, here multiply, divide is there, means goes to multiply. See here, cos by sine, you know already cos by sine is cot 2x, and plus into minus, minus sine by cos, you will get it as a tan 2x. And see here, derivative of 2x is 2 is constant outside, x derivative is 1. Here similarly 2 into 1, so derivative of 2 is 2x is there na, so 2 derivative is 2 outside, x derivative is 1. Here same, plus into minus minus, sin by cos tan 3x, again 3 outside, derivative x is 1. So if you more simplify, y value put here, y value you have sin 2x cos 2x cos 3x. Okay, now this 2 cot 2x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. So this is the value of dy by dx whenever you have the product is more than two terms. So you can use the log and you can differentiate. So these are the logarithm methods to find out the differentiation of given function. So thank you. Today we are leaving here only. Tomorrow we'll continue the next class. Thank you, students.